What you making, Kiri?
I covered up the heart, Mom.
That's all right. What are you making?
I'm making a beautifulest waterfall.
The beautifulest waterfall.
That has so many colors.
It has so many colors.
How do you like my picture? It looks good, Gabe. I like it.
Wow, Gabe, what are you making?
It's an art picture, and it's not done.
Oh, it's not complete yet? We can't name it just yet? Okay.
They're now done.
Now it's done. Wait a little bit more.
Mine
Some finishing touches on here.
Covered up.